Here's a quick review on Bulbrite's new LED Mini. It replaces halogen bulbs. So this one, you can see, replaces a 35 watt halogen. It's a mini-candelabra base. It's 2.05 inches tall. It is 0.69 inches wide. You can see that. And it is, again, it's a replacement for a 35 watt. It is an E11 base, mini-candelabra base. 4.5 watt. It's a 3000 kelvins color temperature, so it's a warm to daylight kind of thing. 2700 kelvins is the warm incandescent light that we're used to from Thomas Edison. Anyways, and it's a clear finish. You can see that right here. You can see through the thing, so it's meant to be used behind a globe. So this is that bulb. Isn't that cool? 3 LEDs, three rows of, or 3 rows of 2 there, 4 rows of 2, 3, 4. It's just a really cool dimmable bulb. So because it's an LED bulb, you can touch it, as opposed to a halogen bulb where you cannot get your finger oil on the bulb itself. So there's one advantage right there. Now this is not going to be an apples to apples, because you can see this is a 75 watt halogen. So obviously going to be much brighter than a 35 watt, which this is designed to replace. However, these are the readings I got. The room temperature is 77 degrees, that's the floor. And then right now it's reading, you can see the red dot, reading 78.4. And when I pointed at the globe that has the original halogen in it, it was 170.6 degrees. Let's see if I can do this again. So 78, and then let me see if it'll, I'm not good at doing this on camera. 139, 104, boy, this is all over the place. I think that's my fault. Here we go. Pointed right at the globe. 130, well, that's not bad. Oh, 204. There we go. I think that's our temperature. Gosh, 240. I doubt it. So it might be that the thermometer is crazy. Let me... Ooh, yes, super hot to the touch. So I'm not pulling it off the bulb itself. I'd have a hard time imagining that being 235. Anyways, let's go over now. So that is the 75 watt halogen that's in there, and then let's go see what this 4.5 watt LED replacement will give us. So okay, nice and cool in our house, 77 degrees. Then here we go. There's the fan. Let me do the same thing as last time. Come on. It's got to be hotter than that. Let me turn the laser off and then back on. Oh, that's really hot. Oh, there we go. 82, 80. Huh. Oh, wow. Yeah, absolutely cool to the touch. Wow. Well, that might actually be 82 degrees. Yeah, it's not hot at all. It's as cold as the air conditioning. Well, there's a huge difference. Obviously, this light is not as bright. I mean, I know you can't really tell because you're in a room, but yeah, it's reading 77.2 on the floor, 77.5, and then back to there. I don't know if you can see the red light. So this, yeah, 81.9, 82.2. Wow, I didn't expect that big of a difference. All right, so here's a really long video, but the bottom line is this LED, I could not take the globe off on the other one right now. And this is going to be really bright Let me turn that off. But so there it is. There's the LED halogen replacement. It is not as bright. Obviously, a 35 watt versus a 75 watt halogen is going to be an enormous difference. However, you know, we have a lamp in our kid's room. Wow, I can't believe it. It made that cold. And it's supposed to be dimmable, so let's check that out. Here it is, full brightness. Will it dim? Yeah. And back up. So it's dimmable claim. That's true. It does dim nicely. And again, I just pulled this off. This light has been on for a couple hours to make sure it's as hot as it gets. And boy, that is a game changer. Let's see. Can you tell what it's doing? Not sure if you can tell how it's dimming nicely. That's what I'm searching for. There's a tiny flicker. And there we go. Now it's gone. Well, I've been waiting for 2 years for this lamp to come out. And it's here. Unbelievable. Sorry this is not the most exciting video in the world, but those are the two bulbs. Sorry, sweetie, am I interrupting your piece?
Have a video.
Well, yeah, you're on video right now. So let's see if we can get another reading on temperature that's... You what? Let's see. Oh, you are hopping on 1 foot. Nice balancing. Oops. Okay, so here we go. 197.2. I think the real test is, can I touch it? And the answer is, as you know, no. Oh gosh, no. So there you go. That bulb. Not only can I touch the globe after it's been on for an hour or two, I can touch the whole light bulb without getting it wrecked. So I'm going to look into these to replace all my van lights too inside. Awesome. Hey, Bulbrite, thanks. Your LED Mini genuinely works. Wow, I can't believe how much cooler. So my kids, we live in Arizona where it's just hot a lot of the year. And so this is a game-changing bulb. My kids are always so tired of me telling them to turn off their fan light. And we have lamps in their room, but of course those are all LED as well. So to have a halogen lamp that doesn't produce heat, or it does produce some heat, you can see that we are at 77 degrees, 78 degrees in the room, and then 82 degrees on the globe. So this, well, I need to change this bulb out now. So let me turn off this light. Give it a half hour to cool off so I don't burn myself. And say goodbye to halogen bulbs.